how to access Cloudflare Zero Trust. So it's going to start from your Cloudflare dashboard, and once you're there, you can log in, and then you could go navigate yourself to the left bar and go to Protect and Connect. Here you'll be able to see your Zero Trust. It's going to welcome you and stuff. And if you haven't started with this, you can go ahead and press this button, which is to, of course, get started. If you want more information about that, you could always read these first, but once you press on get started, you're gonna have to choose your team name. So just type it in and then press on next. So again, if it is your first time, you can choose or create a Zero Trust account, then enter your domain and follow the setup prompts. Once you choose a plan over here, it's gonna lead you to the next process, obviously. But you're gonna have to select a plan first. There's going to be a Zero Trust fee, standard, and enterprise with the details on what's inside, support as well. But once you put in your payment method, you can finally get started with your Cloudflare Zero Trust. So there's going to be a few things you can get started, like replacing your client base or site-to-site VPN, and these other options if you'd like, but in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and skip for now. But that's pretty much it. You could choose to do whatever you want inside your Zero Trust. You could manage your account from your name, customizing your login page, resources, and support. Since we only chose the free version, there's only going to be a fewer features, and if you want more, of course, get a higher subscription. But that's pretty much the general idea on how you could access your Cloudflare Zero Trust. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.